Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my first video in this year. Today I'm going to start the new series, is big new series for the FAQ. Since everyone is asking some comments on my video, some questions regarding my videos, and I'm not able to give the answers to their comments. So I'm creating this particular FAQ series where I will answer your questions in a practical way, and I can explain you little bit. Is basically the FAQ session. And if you have any questions on my any video, please comment on those videos, and I will answer those questions in this series. I hope you like this my initiative, and let's get started with this video. And also I completed 652 subscriber in last year, 365 days, 652. So which is very good. I'm very happy with the performance of my YouTube channel. I let's start with the comment section. And here are the comments that I have not responded. Actually, I have not responded to any comments, but I will try to catch up a few comments. Let's see. The first one is if you want to see the customer dynamic. Okay, this is very easy. Actually, let me open my Exchange portal. So it's basically you need to go to the properties and the members, and there you will see how the dynamic membership you have created. Let me to specify who gets the emails. Dynamic group user is specific. Okay. So basically you need to go to the groups and select a dynamic distribution list. I hope I'm right with your comment. Like, I hope I'm not making a mistake reading your question. So basically, see, I created this basically DIN group, and you can see the members, how these members are added, the members, and then go to the down bottom. You will see the user with the Exchange mailbox. So all these users will be the part of this DIY group, and you can list view members, and you will see the members here. So that's all, and this is how you can check the members of your dynamic distribution list. All right, this is the rules that you or I have specified for my this particular dynamic group. Okay, let's go to the next question. And I will mention that which video you need to check for your answer in the reply section. Okay, after this video I will do that. Second question. Okay, this one is big. Let me read this. So okay, so basically there are two options we have to for a BitLocker encryption, to enable the BitLocker encryption. One is from the device configuration page, and another is from endpoint security. I always prefer BitLocker encryption through the endpoint security because it gives me more options, granular options to choose which BitLocker encryption I should use, and all other settings are there that I can use. See, both in a both way you can do the silent BitLocker encryption. There will be no end user interference is required. You don't need to create a two BitLocker encryption policy, from the device encryption and the endpoint encryption, endpoint security and device configuration. Either one will work and will do your job perfectly. Third one, how do I release the old quarantine emails which is more than 30 days? I'm sorry, this is not possible as per my knowledge. You cannot release, you do not have access to any emails which is older than 30 days in the quarantine. So you cannot do that. Thank you. Okay, please, I'm not understood what mean by this exactly. Um, thank you. Um, okay, then oh great, two users have this issue. Okay, this is a I don't know if it is a known issue, but yeah, there is a issue that you may not able to see the owner ID, but I'll tell you the hack how you can check that. Okay, now I'm in the dynamic restriction list, and let me, I have one already created. Announcement. See the members. Okay, see. So I see the name. I don't see the name basically. There is no way you can see the name. It's basically the code. So how I am going to know who is the owner, right? So what I do is always see this, copy this, go to here, go to the uh, identity portal, Azure Active Directory portal. Then just go to users, all users, and just paste this. And there we go. Is the Alex is my uh, this basically is the object ID. Okay, whatever you see here, this is the object ID, so you can see that object ID right here in the portal, so that way you can resolve this. Okay, like you can resolve the name basically. See, even if you go through the PowerShell, it is not going to give you the exact name. Uh, you have to search with the object ID in the Azure portal, and then you'll get the name. So it will be a very lengthy process. If you have like 100 dynamic list owner and it's not listed, then I may suggest you go with the PowerShell. Otherwise, if it is just one or two, just copy this, search in Azure Active Directory intra ID portal, and you will get the owner name, exact owner name. All right, so let's go to the next question. Let me go to the portal, admin, go to the security portal. Let me close this. And this video I'll try to for a 10 minutes, okay, and not more than that, so that I don't want anyone get bored with this thing. I'll, yeah, if you like this, just let me know in the comment. Otherwise, I'll go with the comment, typing. I don't like that personally. If anyone is giving my questions answer practically, or where I go exactly, that will be great. I personally love that way, so I am doing this. Okay, so go to the policy, go to the thread policies, go at the bottom where the quarantine policy is mentioned, and see, you have to this quarantine notification disabled right now. This is a default policy, so you cannot change this. So what you need to do is you need to create a customized policy. um, just name a policy, next, advance, and allow recipient, and just preview, next, enable this, and this is how you can create a